Hello my beauties, today I'm going to show you how I create this makeup look, which is so easy and 15 minutes makeup look for the work makeup. I really adore this makeup. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start my face with vitamin moisturizer cream, which is from Body Shop, and I really like it because I have very dry skin, so it's so nice and hydrating. Now I'm going to apply the face primer, which is from Benefit. I'm just applying it all over my face. Once you're done with your primer, you just need to put 1 or 2 minutes to set the primer. By the time I fill my brow in. Now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I like to use this foundation for everyday look. This one is the Dewy foundation in the shade 220, I think. I'm not sure the shade. I will put the link in the description below. Now just going to blend. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to cover all the blemishes wherever I feel like I need to cover, and under my eye area. And I'm gonna blend this one with the same beauty sponge, damped one. I'm just putting it a little bit on my forehead, little bit on my nose, a little bit on cupid and my chin area. Now with the same beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend it all over. I'm going to set my whole face with the face powder, which is from MAC Studio Fix Press Powder. You need to set your face obviously, because if you don't set your face, it will crease and your makeup will not stay long. So you have to set your face. Now I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer. Just give a little structure to my face. I'm just using the same brush to blend. I'm just going to put a little bit on my other cheek, little bit on my forehead and on my jawline, and little bit on my nose as well. I'm not doing like a deep contouring, just bronzing out my face. This bronzer is really nice. I always put this little powder underneath my contouring to sharpen my contour. It looks really nice, your contour, once you put the powder on and let it set for 5 minutes or so, and just wipe it out with the fluffy brush. I'm using the lip balm from Sephora just to hydrate my lips. And now I'm going to use this blue Maybelline eye pencil. I like to use blue or black for everyday look. Now on the other eye. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to prime my eyelid. Cover this one with Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just blending it with my finger. Set this whole area with loose powder or any kind of powder, whatever you have. I'm using here the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my eyes. Because it's a daytime look and a everyday work look, so I'm just gonna use a little crease area. I'm using the same Hoola bronzer with this fluffy brush onto my crease line. Just using the circular motion. And now the other eye, same process. Now I'm using this lash curler to curl my lashes. I always like to use this. If you don't have time to put the falsies on, at least you can curl your lashes with that and put your mascara and you're good to go. Now I'm using my Maybelline Hyper Sharp wing liner. I'm not creating any wing, I'm just putting very thin line just to give a shape to my eyeline. Now I'm using this pretty blush from Tarte. Now I'm using this Nars highlighter. I'm going to use this lip liner from Rimmel London. I'm just lining out my lips with this. It's very pretty color. It's like a rosy blush color. I'm just lining out my lips with that. I'm using this nude color lipstick from Sephora. Just filling this one in. Now I'm going to finish my lips with this lip gloss, which is from Revlon. Such a pretty color for everyday look. Now you're good to go, but if you have extra time, you can always put your falsies on. I'm so happy how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Now I put my falsies on and this is how it looks like. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I love creating. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.